Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. Remember the good times that we had. Let them slip away from us when things got bad. Clearly I first saw you smiling in the sun. Wanna feel your warmth upon me. I wanna be the one. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for memories. I'm so tired, but I can't sleep. Standing on the edge of something much too deep. It's funny how it feels so much, we cannot say a word. We are screaming inside, oh, we can't be heard. And I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. So afraid to love you, more afraid to lose. Clinging to a past that doesn't let me choose. Where once there was a darkness, a deep and endless night. You gave me everything you had, oh, you gave me life. And I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. Weep not for the memories.
Sino si Lola Dors?
Kinsa ba? Kinsa?
Ambot lagi. Kinsa si Lola Dors?
Kinsa si Lola Dors?
Kinsa si Lola Dors? Ako ay?
Ako ay
Ako si?
87 years old.
87 years old. Tapos ako nakakatira. Ang pinakamaganda sa lahat ng lola. Ikilig. Lola ni Dora. Ay, ikaw wala si Lola ni Dora. Bilis na. Anong paborito mong pagkain?
Fresh lumpia.
Fresh lumpia. Ano pa?
Siopaw.
Siopaw. Saging din? Saging.
Saging maruya.
Maruya. Lahat ng matamis. Chicharon.
Chicharon. Lahat ng
Lechon.
masarap. Lahat ng masarap.
Lahat ng masarap. Anong paborito mong palabas? Sa TV. Sa TV.
Sa TV.
Anong pinapanood mo sa TV?
Showtime.
Showtime. Hindi na si Willie?
Si Willie, pero isa na ka oras sa si Willie.